How to fix Telegram not sending verification code. Whenever you try to log into Telegram and you are not able to receive an activation code in your mobile number, here is how you can fix it. There are some troubleshooting steps that you can follow. First and foremost, you have to make sure that your Telegram application is up to date. For that, open up the Play Store in your device. And on the search bar, search for Telegram, and here make sure that your application is updated. If you found any update option where I have opened, simply tap on update, and once the application is updated, open up and check whether the problem has resolved or not. If still not, you have to make sure that you are connected to proper internet connection, and if you have any kind of VPN connection in your device, you have to disconnect that VPN and try to connect to your network. You can switch your Wi-Fi network with your mobile data and make sure that the problem is solved or not. If this still doesn't help you, then what you have to do is open up the settings in your mobile device. After that, tap on apps. From here, tap on see all apps, and here search for Telegram. After you find it out, tap on Telegram. Now once you get to app info page, tap on storage and cache. From here, tap on clear cache. That will remove all the junk file of Telegram from your device, which will help you out to solve the problem. So try out all this troubleshooting problem and it will help you to fix the verification code not sending. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, make sure to subscribe and do not forget to like, comment and hit that notification bell icon. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on next video.